Hi, welcome to the Iris platform. I'm Irena, the author and content creator of Iris. The platform contains a database of practical advice for professionals to quickly and independently solve dilemmas, as well as learning content for beginners, people who want to upskill or reskill. The Iris platform provides premium content for subscribers located in the Education tab, which consists of two parts: tax and business education. Tax education consists of 5 tax manuals in the field of value-added tax, personal income tax, corporate tax, withholding tax for foreign companies and foreign citizens, and local property taxes. Tax manuals are only available in Macedonian language, but all other content on the platform is also available in English language. Within each tax manual, there are several thematic chapters and a segment with prescribed tax forms. Thematic chapters contain short educational articles with simple and practical examples. The tax articles section contains questions with answers and articles elaborated from multiple tax perspectives. The video section contains practical tax advice illustrated in short videos. Business education provides educational and practical articles in the field of green business, entrepreneurship, and other business areas, which are continuously added and expanded to the platform. Business videos are short and practical lessons and advice on various business topics. Users can quickly find the content they need with the efficient search option on the Iris platform. The content of the platform is dynamic and constantly growing, and is updated simultaneously with changes in laws and data. Thanks for watching. See you soon!